Yeah, I already know you want to get paid. You want to do it from the crib. You want to use minimal effort because you're lazy a little bit. And you want to do it just using your computer or your phone. I got you. This video, I'm showing you a website that's going to change our lives forever. Let's dive into the computer. Oh yeah, and also before we begin that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll have a description to everything you need mentioned in this video down in the description, as well as $15 free when you get on Whatnot. You did. Now, what is Doba? Doba is a US-based drop shipping platform that's been around since 2002. It helps retailers and entrepreneurs easily find and list products with a huge supplier network and powerful tools, making drop shipping simple and hassle-free. Now, if you're on Amazon or Shopify seller, you have your own online store, Doba is the perfect choice for you. Okay, people, so look how clear and concise the screen is. This is a simple breakdown, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get paid online, how to find the most top-ranked or trending products to sell online, and best of all, how they can ship the stuff directly to a client for you. Oh, but you know, since I just passed 300K on Instagram, I can show you how to use social media to go ahead and get some of these sales as well. So in this one, I'm gonna walk you through all the features of it. I'm gonna show you how I will go ahead and find and rank and source products, how to find the top trending ones that will give you the biggest return, and how you can set up getting this to ship out to all of your customers for you. Let's get it. Let's start at the very top. You could be a supplier yourself. Okay, so as you see right here, you yourself can become a supplier. So a lot of y'all that's watching this video, you already have a product that you want to sell already. And if that's you, you come right here and it shows you how simple it is. It goes from the supplier to Doba, to the retailer, to the customer. It can't get any simpler. And here they give you some of the benefits of working with them. They have over 250,000 retailers of all kinds using Doba, bro. It's elite level. One of my favorite things is that you gain access to over 250,000 people. So access and relationships are key. You never know who will see your product, who wants to work with you, or who wants to collaborate with you. And you get access to that by signing up with Doba. So when you go here, it'll answer some of your frequently asked questions as well. How does shipping work? How does Doba handle returns? And you see right here, the policy is recommended for all suppliers. It allows retailers to sell products from different suppliers on one return policy. So all of those questions are signed up for you or asked for you right here. And they even have testimonials. After that, we got integrations. Now, this is key to me because a lot of y'all are selling products on one of these websites. TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, Wix, Walmart, Amazon. You got Amazon store. You can link all of your products in your store here. Shopify was where I sold a lot of my products, and it's where I have a lot of my clients sell. And even Temu, bro. You see new Temu and TikTok. This is next level. So all you would do is click whatever you want to connect, and you would literally be able to connect one of your stores right there. After that is the pricing. It shows you how much the app costs. Next is one of my favorite things. You're going to get paid as an affiliate. Now, imagine this. Yeah, the affiliate program is so strong that I'm actually going to read this word for word to make sure we get it 100% right. After registering as a Doba affiliate for free, you can refer Doba to others. If they purchase a Doba plan, you earn 40% commission on the plan subscription for 180 days. Yeah, you're going to be getting paid for months and months if just one person signs up. You recommend Doba on your social media. How do you do that, I ask? Is if you have a page, let's say there's pages I follow on the internet, and all they do is review products. It's literally all they do is review products. I'll toss it up on the screen right here as I'm talking, you can see. All Buddy's doing is reviewing tech gadgets, tech products. You can go on Temu and find the cheapest products. Here's the top tech, under $50, whatever. You make a video on Instagram about it, it gets 10,000 views, 20, 50, 100, a million. All of a sudden, those people can click because you put your affiliate link in the description or in your bio. Oh, because did I mention you could start using it for free? Free. Yeah, I said free trial, you can start using it for free. Now we understand different ways to get paid just by being an affiliate. To me, that's the #1 way I would use this to get paid. But even if you want to make sales for your product, you can also go viral with that as well. Let me explain. So you see some of these headings in these categories. We have the TikTok shop selections. Let's click it. Boom, just like that, bro. Over 80 results of top selling TikTok shop content or products. And you have to upgrade to see even more of the top TikTok picks. So I suggest you do that. But bro, they even have it broken down for hand picks for Shopify, hand picks for Temu, hand picks for Amazon. You need to crush it on TikTok shop. You do not have to recreate the wheel. No one even has to see your face. You can make a TikTok shop page selling these products, or better yet, what I recommend is if you know people that already have emotional social media, get these products in the hands of those people. Next is the top ranking products. So I click top ranking, and you can click and you can do the most popular products. It shows you right here the most popular products online, or the hot picks. We got some skillets, we got an air fryer, and you can start selling these products immediately. It shows you right here how they come to those terms. It shows you right here how they came to these selections. Data-driven decisions, proven success, reduced risk, and competitive edge. We get the competitive edge by using this tool because guess what else you could do? You can even use AI to ask questions. So let's say, for example, we want to ask it, how does the ranking process work here on Doba? And as you see, AI is going to come down here and bust it down, and you get 10 free questions, bro. Free questions with AI. So imagine, I don't know if y'all go to Shein, Fashion Nova, and all these other amazing big companies, their customer service is probably cheeks. It takes a long time to get in touch with somebody. You got to send an email off. You got to wait for a phone call. This gives you an immediate response to the answer, and you have 10 tries to do so, or 10 attempts. After that, you see some new arrivals, so you might want to get ahead of the curve. You see they got dog set training pads. They got all these different things you can start doing right now that are going to put you ahead of the curve because they're new arrivals. So before anyone even gets to them, you can pick some of these products as well. And then what I want to show you is that they have some premium suppliers. So these are the people that are going to ship the product for you. This is how simple it is. All you are responsible to do is either make the content or find people who make content already and get these products in their hands. Let me show you an example of DKB, this cup. So once you open this up, you can literally click right here to add this to your inventory list. Let me move my little circle so you can see it better. Add this to your inventory list means that now this will be on your store and people can start buying it, and list it to your inventory to make sure you can order more. How many do you have left? Then you can list this to your store directly with one click. You can add it to your cart if you want to just buy it right here for a test, for a sample. Or you can download, and when you download, this will give you all the product information, images, description. So if you have a store and you want to sell this product, you prep everything and you put it on your store, bro. It's next level. And they even have variations. So this is type B of it. It looks like a Squirtle type character on there. That's hard. Type E, if you like the mermaid style cup, whatever you want, they got all the variations right here so you can sell all three. You hear me? When you click that button, it gives you a whole breakdown and tutorial of exactly what you're looking at so you can track your own inventory. This is the back end with Doba. It gets no simpler. So now you can list the products that you want to download. If you don't know exactly, you have questions, right here is an on-screen example. Look, there's a video playing right here. It's showing you how to add stuff to your cart, remove things from your cart, list your products, download the information. Doba has done a hell of a job putting everything in one place. And then this is for when you want to view the product info, you want to filter or update your products. Hell, maybe they have new prices. Maybe there's new variations of it that have come to market. Maybe they've added tweaks. Maybe there's an upgraded version. You could do all that stuff right here. And right here is where there's update alerts. So if your product did update, you don't even have to search, bro. This is mind blowing. Doba themselves has put an alert that will send you a notification via messages and email whenever your product is updated, bro. You hear me? I hope y'all listening to what I'm saying. This is all in one spot. This is just one click, by the way. So all of these are going to be available as soon as you sign up. These videos that you've seen right here will be available. And as you see, my inventory list, who's going to ship it, how much does it cost, right here. We have 65 in the inventory, 39 left of type E, and this is the product price, $12, people. So you can change this, edit whatever you want. You can see all your saved searches, your listings, your connections. This is where you'll have your integrations. Everything you need is in one-stop shop right here. But I also want to show you something else. Any stores that you want to connect to, when you press stores, all of this will pop up. And yes, people, it does work with TikTok Shop like we mentioned earlier, but I just want to show you how simple it is just with clicks, So they did a hell of a job making everything seamless. They also have a wallet here. A lot of the clients I work with are, international when it comes to me setting up VAs, or a lot of y'all have them. They have Payoneer. So if you have a Payoneer account, you got bank accounts, you want to add your credit or debit cards, all those things can be listed here. They have the affiliate program and the pricing plan, all those things right here. And any of your orders will be right here. So if you have any refunds that people are asking for, Your tracking information will be right here. So any orders that go out, the tracking information will automatically be updated. So you and the customer both get notified what process the package is at, where is it at, how to get to it. So, you can keep everybody cool, calm, and collected without you having to lift a finger or without you even having to go outside. And again, when you go to store orders, the system will automatically sync the latest order, the latest information, the latest data. All of it's automatically done for you. You can manually sync these things, which takes about 2 minutes, but it'll do it for you automatically so you don't have to worry. Doba items only ship for now. Orders outside of the delivery range will not be synced. So if you're doing something manually, you have to manually go in and sync it. But any order that is placed through Doba will sync for you. All the SKU numbers and everything will be stored right here. So after watching this video, you've seen firsthand how powerful the power of the internet can be, how powerful Doba is. I'm going to show you on the screen as I'm talking. You're seeing some of my clients I work with that have gotten sales on TikTok Shop. We are currently right now selling on Shopify, TikTok Shop, and we're getting customers. And this is just another tool that you can use to find different suppliers that'll ship the things out for you. I want to really focus in on letting y'all know finding a supplier that'll ship it for you is key in this drop shipping game, because speed and efficiency is what people live on. If you place an order from you and it takes too long and you don't know all the back end, they probably won't order again. But here, it's going to let you get repeat customers. And if you need more resources, they have a blog in different categories you can search for. So the blog right here, again, rather than waiting on customer service and waiting to get on for emails back from people, they have all of your answers to frequently asked questions, top 10 products you can sell. All of these things are already typed up. With just one click, you can start reading these things. And if you want this tool today and you want to start using Doba so you can track your back end and start making money and attracting that paper online, all you have to do is check and click the description. I got everything you need. It's all listed below. This is one of the coolest things I've seen in a while, just because I really love this top ranking section. Top ranking is really doing the whole, a scour of the internet to find the highest ranked products for you, the top selling things. So this is amazing. Doba's lit. Tell them Seshi sent you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. And before we get out of here, I know you probably gonna have some excuses, right? So I just wanted to understand and let you know they already made curated lists for you. So before you make the excuse of saying you don't know what to sell, how to sell it, they have products already listed for you in a curated list that they'll make for you. So it's showing you whether you want household items, bags, hats, toiletries, dressers, whatever it is, they got it right here for you, bro. No excuse. Tell them Session sent you. Until next time, people, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.